PPT on the screen, and which is all chapter The Thief Story by Ruskin Bond. You already gone through it, in which you got to know that the main character is Hari Singh, which is not a real name, and this thief always keep changing his name for the reason that he can hide his identity. Okay, in order to hide his identity, moreover, he always want to be ahead of the cops. That is the reason that he hide his identity so that no one will get to know about his identity. This chapter is written by Ruskin Bond. Is a very known and eminent personality in the field of literature, and has a lot of literature on his name, and specifically his literature is related with the what kids. Moving to the next one, this is the biography. I remember that it was explained last time.
Yes, sir, during April.
Okay,
So,
this was already done. And the style of writing, this was discussed.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
we also discussed in occupation, and we also
Yes, sir.
discussed that which value do you think today's society need the most. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
and
we
you
discussed.
you give me the answer: honesty, trust, compassion, empathy. Okay, humanity. What else can be there?
helpful,
Helpful and sociable. These are the values that we find that they are outdated now. They are, but that should be in great level, which is not there now. So it is really a great concern that the people are becoming more practical, becoming more selfish. Nobody is going to stop them. But the point is that for which the human beings are known, that must be there. That is values. The values is the biggest asset of human being, the biggest identity of human beings. Why the human beings are stand different from others? Because they are rational, they are sociable, and most important thing is that they have values, values which are very very important. The money will not be there. Okay, with the passage of time, person will get old. Your health will not be supporting, but the values that you have, it will always be there with you, and for which the person will be known, he'll be recognized. So that is the biggest asset and the property the human beings have, and that is what a value. Next one, you see here, this also we discuss compassion. Let's make a difference in the world we are living in. Clear? So the now the biggest thing is what compassion. This living place can become a very better place, can become a better living place for all of us when we all follow compassion, when everyone will have compassion. Whenever you see somebody in trouble, whenever you see somebody in hell, so then there to that moment when you extend your helping hand, and then this is how you become the cause of bringing smile on his face. That is the great work that you are doing, and this work cannot be repaid in terms of money. It cannot be counted, it cannot be measured in terms of money, and in fact, it would be difficult to express in words also. So the having compassion is very very important. Moving to the next one, someone in need. This was done.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
done.
Okay. Now the theme of the story you see here, the story deals with basic human values and relationship. It is easier for a thief to rob a greedy man. As we have seen, the main character in the story is Hari Singh. Is hardly 15 years old, but in 15 years old, though he is a 15-year-old, but the experience that he has robbing the people, in cheating them, befooling them, is really a experienced one, and moreover, he himself, describe himself in such a way that he has a what? He is successful at robbing the people. So it is easier for a thief. And now it is Hari Singh's observation about the people on which he says that he recorded facial expressions of the people whenever he robbed them. So what he says that it is easier for a thief to rob a greedy man. It is difficult even for a thief to rob a careless and honest person. What is the reason behind that? Such people, whenever they are robbed, they do not show the sign of regret on their face. Okay? They are least bothered about the loss that they, bear. So Hari Singh, did steal Anil's money, but he couldn't run away with it. Now, in case of Anil, when the Hari Singh is what robbing him or stealing his money, there he is not getting any kind of pleasure. Why is not getting any kind of pleasure? Because the character Anil in the story is believing on Hari Singh beyond limit. His faith and trust, it was beyond limit. So due to which he could not run away. He had no friends because he regarded them to be trouble than help. The only person he really knew was the man he had robbed. Moreover, Anil was ready to educate Hari Singh. The thief conscience pricked him. He came back to Anil and crept to his bed. So he slipped the money under the mattress from where he had stolen it a few hours ago. Now, what was the point? Which circumstances compelled him to come back to Anil? Can you tell me? Which situation compelled Hari Singh to come back to Anil? Am I audible or not?
Sir, as Anil was teaching to Hari Singh, so might be he has returned because he thought that Anil was the only person who can teach him.
Okay, that's good.
Also, he had a change of heart and his thoughts because Anil's character was very pure and he had a pure heart. So this has melted the heart of Hari Singh and he returned to Anil.
Very
Sir,
good.
as Hari Singh knew very well that being an educated man will add to his abilities, and he could achieve anything from the education. And education is considered to be more prosperous than having a lot of money. So Hari Singh was been taught by the Anil. So he think that being an educated person is more good than stealing money. So he returned to Anil in his mind only.
Okay, Dhanashree and Vaidehi, you both of you have given the brilliant answer that is sensible. The reason behind that, why he thought of coming back to Anil, because he understood the importance of education. He understood the value of education. The education which was being imparted by Anil to Hari Singh, it changes perception, it changes understanding, and it is due to the power of education. Hari Singh was a changed personality. There was a change in every aspect of life. It is the education that gives you that strength, that power by which you are in a position to understand what is right for you, what is wrong for you. And it is due to education, he listened to the inner voice of his heart. He listened to his intuition. And when he was about to respond to the bad action, he realized his mistake. Okay. And then, it was his conscience which troubled him, which pricked him, by which he took the decision of coming back. So this is what the thing that we get to know. So he had no friends because he regarded them to be trouble. We know that why he's not in the habit of making friends, because the job and the profession in which he is always getting scared with the fact that he would be caught and he would be arrested and he would be put behind bars. So for that reason, he never used to be in the practice of making friends with anybody. Understood now? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see here, this is what the vocabulary that we already covered in the text. It is trust, relies on, betray, deceive, due, fairly, enough, lean, we can think, purpose, that is called objective over here, restless to strive by a grappling. It is a sport, and it has a very rich background, a rich history, and specifically in India. Modestly, humbly, lied to tell a lie, grunting, roaring, casually, purposelessly, perhaps, probably, stray, wanting, and patted, stroke. So these all meanings that you see on the screen, it does not mean it is only for the reading purpose. In the examination, you might ask a vocabulary based questions, and then there, if you know these meanings, so it would be very easy for you to tell the right meaning. So now on the screen you see the word summary, uh, which I am going to tell you. A small time 15-year-old thief who calls himself Hari Singh befriends a struggling author, Anil. Hari's purpose is to steal Anil's money. In the first point of the summary, we understand that Hari Singh, he was just a 15-year-old thief and who called himself Hari Singh. And he always used to keep changing his name for the reason to hide his own identity. And he befriends a struggling author. This we have seen in the opening paragraph of the chapter, where we get to know what was the skill and the talent and the art Hari Singh had. Hari Singh always used to use his own skill, specifically the art of flattering. He always used to flatter the people, and then this is how he used to impress them. And the moment the person is getting influenced by his way of talking, then he used to ask them, actually, I am a jobless, can you give me a work? This was sheer his own plan, the plan of robbing the people. And the same is coming, same is happening where in case of Anil. When he's coming to Anil, he's coming to Anil with wrong intention in order to work for him and then later on to rob him. Anil is a good fellow who wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. And this is the important point in the text. We see that Hari Singh comes in Anil's life with the intention that he would rob. But then Anil is such a pure character, is such a great character. What he starts giving him the lessons of reading and writing. He starts making him educated. And the biggest property and the asset that he is giving to Hari Singh is what? Education. So the gradually Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. But Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment. Still at this point of the lesson of the chapter, we understand that he is not getting impressed at all with the kind gesture of Anil. He is least bothered. He is simply waiting for the right moment to make a killing by doing what he is best, that is stealing. After stealing the money which Anil had earned by selling a book to a publisher, Hari Singh tries to run away forever. And this was his plan. He was waiting for the moment when he would rob Anil, and in this way he will run away. So the but some inner voice stops him. What is going to stop him? Some inner voice stops him from doing so. He returns to Anil because he realizes that he wants to live a life of respect, a life of you know courtesy, the life of respect, the life of honor. So these are all things that he will get with the power of education. Clear now? See here. And why this transformation is there? Somewhere Hari Singh felt ashamed of himself. How he can be so cheap and mean. The person who is completely unknown and stranger to him, and what he does that he trusts him beyond limit. And on the other hand, what he is going to do with him. So when he has this realization and self understanding, and when he's going through a self restraint, he feels very very bad, and he listens to his inner voice, and then changes his decision, and he come back to Anil. So here, one line can be says that सुबह का भुला शाम को लौट कर आए उसे भुला नहीं कहते. Did you understand what did I say? समझ में आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why did I say this statement? Can you tell me? सुबह का भुला शाम को लौट कर आए उसे भुला नहीं कहते. Why did I say this statement?
Because Hari Singh went with the mind of stealing and robbing Anil, and he at least he reached to the station, but returned because he felt that he is doing wrong, and when he returned to the home, and he kept his and he gave all the Anil's money to himself. So we can say that he had gone to the railway station and then again come back. So we can say that सुबह का भोला शाम को वापस लौट गया, तो बुरा नहीं कहते.
Okay, well said, Vaidehi. To the point. Another thing is that we can say is that like Anil is what means actually is not going to take any kind of action against him. Whereas he knows that Hari Singh is the only person that who stole money. And when he comes back, he had a chance that he would have called the police and he would have, put him behind the bars. But then there to that point, he is not taking a strict action against Hari Singh. He simply kept his mind cool and calm. Why? He was happy to see the change in Hari Singh. He was happy to see the transformation. He was happy to see that Hari Singh realized his mistake. He was happy to see that the Hari Singh felt very very bad on his own action. So then, when he sees this reformation into him, so there is no point of calling police and sending him to the jail. Get it? So then there to that moment, this particular line is absolutely right. सुबह का भुला शाम को लौट कर आए उसे भुला नहीं कहते. He realizes his mistake. Then why we need to be very very harsh enough, calling police, asking police to arrest him and sending him behind the bars? There is no need, because we need to see the what level of crime. We need to see the what gravity and seriousness of crime. If in case the person is not involved in the action of taking somebody's life, and he's doing that mistake or he's doing that crime, so that crime is what forgivable. At least we can give chance to the person to reform himself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Anil
sir.
does not do that. He knew about the theft and accept Hari Singh with open arms. He never wanted, he never want him to feel bad because he already felt bad. He was very much ashamed of himself, and that is why he came back to him. Thus, a well-intentioned person tries to reform a teenager who has strayed from the correct path. Straight from the correct path? Who is straight from the correct path? Hari Singh. Hari Singh, with certain circumstances, because of some situation, because of poverty or whatever, unemployment or whatever the standard that he has in his life, so he was deviated completely from the path of life. And then it was Anil who brought him back on the right path of life. These are the main points of the story. Anil was a young writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazine and earning the money to run his life. Okay. One day, Anil was watching the wrestling match. Hari best knew how to make unknown persons a friend. These are the things that we already, studied in the chapter. How Hari Singh always used to be in search of his target, and this time his target was Anil. He used an old formula. Very good. To flatter the person, Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also taught him how to cook tasty food. So daily Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and had profit of 1 rupee daily. Clear? So still actually his plan was something else. Anil knew it, but he did not mind it. Both were living together happily. At this point, no issue. Both were very, very happy. 1 month passed, Hari Singh did not perform his business. So, somewhere, he was very, very excited to perform the action in which he was talented. That is called stealing, robbing, and then doing theft. One day he saw Anil at a bundle of notes and he saw him to put them under the mattress. As Hari Singh saw the bundle of notes, so he thought that this is really a golden opportunity and for which he was waiting for a long time, and that was an opportunity knocking to him. So his inner spirit awakened in his mind and he decided to rob Anil that night. After taking dinner, Anil slept peacefully. Hari could not sleep. He woke. He crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He found the notes and ran away on the road. Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to the railway station and would catch the Lucknow Express. That was his plan. He thought that he would not catch him if he ran away from the city. For the time being, but he would not run away from the Anil. Then this was not the running away only from Anil, but this was running away from the light, running away from the honesty, running away from the trust, away from everything. So Hari Singh, reached the railway station. Lucknow Express was about to, and strange is going to happen like we see in Bollywood movie. Exactly, it's going to be happen. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Next one. Suddenly, the good spirit, like we that should happen. The same thing is happening in the story. And something strange and amazing is happening over here. Suddenly, the good spirit told him, told him not to betray the faith of Anil. The train was moving, but Hari did not dare to catch it. He was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari Singh thought that Anil told him, Anil would not worry about the money, but he might feel bad that the man had broken his faith. So just wait for some time. Am I audible or not?
Sir, audible but not clear.